Hey guys, Richard here at the eBike Reviews and Adventures. Thought I'd make a quick little video just kind of giving you an update on an inventory here in the garage, what we've got going on. So first of all, we have one bike stored at our off-site storage location, aka my friend Ron's house. He's got the Mooncool MC350. That's the red trike that Mooncool has. You've seen it on this channel if you've been here before. So that's stored at his house currently. And we currently have two stored inside the house. We have the EUY bike, the K6F, that's stored in the house. And we also have the small little white folding bike called the Sohamo. That is stored in the house because we were just running out of space out here. Also, currently, Amanda is out riding and making a video on the Mooncool CG2, the new Mooncool cargo bike. So she's got that out right now. And also, daughter Emma is here, and she's out riding. What is she riding? Oh, she's riding the Emma 3.0, and she's making a short little video with that. So those are not here. But what is here, we have the Velotric Fold 1. Still like this bike a lot. Hey guys, I'm thinking about making this my go-to bike for a little while. This is the Ingwe Engine Pro 2.0. And the reason I like it, it's got a torque sensor. It rides really good. It's got a big motor in the back. If I'm not mistaken, that was 1,000 watt. Hey, I get things confused with so many bikes. But it rides good. It's very comfortable. Good quality compared to some of the previous Ingwe products that I wasn't too happy with. So I'm thinking about making that my go-to bike. The only thing is it's only got a 15 amp hour battery, which is kind of small for my longer rides that I like to do. But I can extend that out because it is a torque sensor. So thinking about that. Hey, you know, I sold some bikes recently. I sold everything except this Baycycle. Yeah, this is the Baycycle Quest 1. It's still for sale in my local area only. And nobody wants it, probably because they watched my review. It wasn't the greatest review. So, yeah, may have shot myself in the foot on that one. Hey, we have the ReviBike Flux over here. I'm not going to get into it, but there's some controversy going on with this right here. It broke down. The battery is bad. It turns out we tested the battery's shot, no replacement battery available. I have to ship the battery off to a repair facility, wait for it to get repaired before it gets back. And there's some things going on there that I'm just not comfortable with. I'll share that with you maybe in another video if we don't get it worked out. Here is the Truxus Lynx Plus, the newest model Truxus Lynx. So we still have that in the garage. That's Emma's bike, her go-to bike, so we'll keep that for a long term. There's the Ansky S700. Now, you know we love the Ansky. We use it as just a little go-getter, grocery getter. We often use that for a support bike when we're doing group rides and things, carrying camera equipment and stuff. Really like that bike. Don't plan to get rid of that anytime soon. There's the Truxus Explorer. Now, this is the original Truxus Explorer, not the most recent version that has the dual sensors. Oh, by the way, if you didn't see that video, yeah, the Truxus has started putting dual sensors in there, so you have both cadence and torque. But this is the original version that don't have that. That's Amanda's bike. Right behind that is son-in-law Devin's Machwheel Obsidian. And yeah, that's not going anywhere anytime soon. He loves that bike. Super good quality, super good bike. Let's see what else we have in the garage. We still have the Mooncool Fat Tire. This is the non-folding Fat Tire trike that Mooncool has right there. So that's still here in the garage. Next to that, slightly back and to the left, is the electric XP trike. So that's still here. Don't plan to get rid of that, but newsflash, Electric is coming out with a 2.0. Yeah, several months ago, I don't know how long it's been, 6 months or something, I made a video talking about, hey, the XP trike 2.0, and kind of making a wish list of things if Electric was to come out with a new version. We all kind of suspected they would at some point because they like doing that with all their models. They come out with a 2.0, 3.0. It's been confirmed. Electric Insider has said, yeah, they're coming out with a 2.0 trike. Eager to see what that's going to be all about. I don't know if it's even going to be this year. It could be next month. It could be 6 months from now. Don't know when, but it is coming out. Here's the, let me get this out of the way. Here's the new 630 two front-wheeled reverse tadpole trike. Yeah, got that in here. Fun trike, super fun to ride. A little dangerous, trying to work out some issues. You got cable pull brakes on the front, and the problem is, if the brakes aren't exactly right, You squeeze the brake for, one side grabs before the other, and it kind of twists the steering wheel sideways while you're riding it. So a little dangerous. We're in contact with the CEO over at 630. Yeah, not sure what he's going to do with that. We hope he addresses the issue. But other than, being a little sketch on the braking, super fun. And what we've learned is, just use the rear brake more so than you apply pressure on the front. And it kind of works itself out. So it's still super fun trike to ride. Getting back over here, we have the brand new HJM Tri-Hauler. We've just released a couple of videos on that. This is my new favorite trike. My new favorite trike because it's fast. It goes up to 21 miles an hour, so you can ride along with someone who is, say, on a bike. It's nice to ride along beside them and not being stuck at that 15-mile-an-hour mark. And it's a dual battery, so I can go like really long range on this. So really happy with this, happy with the performance, happy with the stability. Make sure you go check out that video, and there will be a lot more videos coming out on this just because I like it so much. All right, back over here, back to another 630. We got the rickshaw. That is still here in the garage. That's not going anywhere, so we will keep that for long term. Right here in front, we have the new King Bull Light Rider. Amanda just completed the video on the Light Rider, and super fast and light, kind of nimble, easy to ride. She particularly likes this a lot, just by the way it handles. So she's real happy with the performance, and I gotta say I like it too. It's a really nice ride. They did a good job with it. And then squeezed in right there, the other white trike there is the Mooncool TK1, hugely popular. Look, I've got it partly covered up because I purchased a bag for something else. There it is, and that's Mrs. Adventures, and she still likes that a lot. She doesn't get able to get out too often, but when she does, she enjoys it. And currently we have this electric XP trike canopy that we put on there, but that's probably going to come off soon, just because we need to modify it to be able to get it out the door because it's just too tall. It was designed too tall for a lot of garages. So we're going to have to modify it. And even at that, I don't know that it's going back on here because I don't think Mrs. Adventure is too interested in it. And honestly, I'd rather not keep this big honking thing in the garage all the time anyway, so it's probably going to go. Let's see, what else do we have? That's it. I think that's everything that we currently have. And don't have anything immediately inbound. We know that there's a couple others that have been promised, and I can't share that with you yet. New stock, new products that are about to hit the market, and so when those come out, we're supposed to be getting a couple of those. Other than that, it's kind of slowed down here, and we're happy that it has slowed down because Amanda and I have been real busy making videos, trying to stay on top of all of these. And now we want to get back to just some of the how-to videos, some more riding videos. I'd like to get into doing some more group rides, that sort of thing, and we think we're going to have time to start doing that here real soon. So, hey, just keep in mind, we have content for everybody. It's not just about reviews. It's not just about product reviews or accessory reviews. We do show you some maintenance tips and things. We do group rides. Sometimes we just kind of monkey around here in the garage and have fun. Speaking of monkeys, I saw Stanley a minute ago. Where was he? Oh, he's over there on my chair. Yeah, there's Stanley, monkeying in the garage. Yeah, we got Toby down here hanging out with me today. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll try to answer them when I can. And doggone it, if you're new here, subscribe, will you? There's no reason to pass this up because we got content for everyone, so we hope you will consider subscribing and joining our community. We'll see you in another video real soon. You guys ride responsibly and ride safe.